I just love when I get to list something that is a good deal. And let me tell you, this new condo is exactly that. It is well taken care of by these owners that have been here a long, long time. But what I love most is that this homeowners association has low monthly cost. I cannot believe it when I heard the amount. Welcome to my brand new listing, 9541 Villa Way, located here in Miamisburg. Come check out this great deal. This 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom has approximately over 1,400 square feet, and it has amazing open spaces. You are going to love all the updates as well. Flooring, painting, so many things. Check it out. If you're interested in a showing, give us a call. Vicki Piper here with the Piper Real Estate Group with NavX Realty.